From Asia's most complex builds to the US design-build stage, we are ARTH. Construction doesn't fail on site. It fails earlier, in planning rooms, coordination meetings, and handover folders. We don't deliver models. We deliver certainty, constructability, predictability, and operational clarity. In design, clash-free isn't delivery. Build-ready is. Clash-free models don't build projects. Constructible ones do. So from day one, we engineer constructability, aligning disciplines, resolving issues early, and producing drawings built on real-world install logic. Every decision lives in the CDE, tied to model-based approvals and field requirements. Ensuring what's signed off is what gets built on site. In pre-construction, decisions come before concrete. Quantities, cost, and logistics are linked to the model, from QTO and BOQ to tender versus IFC checks, rebar takeoffs, and model-driven procurement. Everything stays connected to real quantities and timelines, reducing surprises and accelerating buy-in across teams. During construction, plans and reality stay in sync. 4D sequencing drives the week. Drone and site capture update progress. AR verifies installations. RFIS and issues stay visible, and scans validate the as-built. Safety intelligence reduces risk, so teams build with confidence. Handover shouldn't be PDFs no one opens. We deliver asset intelligence, QR-tagged models, CMMS, and BMS integrations, and a live digital twin that informs maintenance, energy, and alarms. Operations get clarity on day one. Proven across transportation, healthcare, aviation, industrial, and high-rise, with delivery at scale across regions. Construction doesn't need more tools. It needs true digital delivery.